What's good, Finance Forge crew? Struggling with debt? Today, we're sharing a simple, beginner-friendly plan to pay off $10,000 in just 12 months. Let's dive in. First, list all your debts. Credit cards, student loans, anything. Write down the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Knowledge is power. Next, pick a payoff method. The Snowball tackles small debts first for motivation, while the avalanche hits high-interest debts to save money in the long run. Create a lean budget. Cut non-essentials like subscriptions and redirect that cash toward your debt. Free apps like Mint can help you stay disciplined. Increase your cash flow. Take on a few hours of gig work like DoorDash for an extra $75 a week, adding up to $300 a month. Combine this with your budget cuts to pay $500, $600 monthly. Set up automatic payments above the minimum, say $850 a month. At this rate, you'll clear your debt in 12 months, assuming an average interest of 15%. Use your bank's app to automate and avoid late fees. Celebrate small wins like paying off a card and avoid taking on new debt. If you slip up, don't quit. Adjust and keep going. Over 70% of young adults carry debt, but you can break free. That's your plan to crush $10,000 in debt. What's your first step? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more debt-busting tips. Hit the bell for weekly updates, and share this with someone ready to be debt-free. Catch you next time on Finance Forge.